Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you may be tuning in from. My name is Marili. I am going live from my grocery store. Say hi, little man. Say hi. Alright, so as you can tell, I will be going over this app called Sweatcoin. So basically, with Sweatcoin, you are getting paid to walk. So basically with this app I recommend it for anyone who's usually on like public transportation or
Hey, you made me walk all the way over there and you take the cart.
hold on, I'm going live.
I don't care.
So with this app you can basically, anyone who's like on public transportation, you can pretty much walk anywhere and you'll get paid as you're walking. With every 1,000 steps, you do get 1 sweat coin, and for every 20,000 sweat coins, you could actually cash out through PayPal and you get $1,000 back, which is pretty freaking cool. But yeah, anyways, I'm actually gonna leave I'm gonna leave a link on the comments. So in case you do want to check out this really cool app, I'll give you access to that. Other than that, okay, my husband wants to talk.
So it's as easy as doing this. Watch, ready? This is how hard it gets. Just I don't want to see my crusty toes, but that's how easy it is.
Alright, well, thank you very much for watching. I will be posting the link in the comments below, and I'll pin it too, so you won't have to be scrolling through the comments. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this brand new app. Like I said, for every 1,000 steps that you do take, you earn 1 sweat coin, and for every 20,000 sweat coins, you can cash out $1,000 through PayPal.
If you don't make any money, that goes to show that you're a potato catcher.
What he said.
A couch potato.
So, anyways, again, hope you enjoyed it. I will be going live every single day, again, with different money-making apps or websites. So for those who want